7 extraordinary fruit plants produce far more food than traditional trees, sometimes twice as much, yet remain virtually unknown to most gardeners. These forgotten treasures can transform a small garden into a powerful food production system. Commercial agriculture deliberately ignores these plants because they can't be shipped long distances, packaged uniformly, or sold through supermarkets. For home growers, this becomes an incredible advantage. These plants break traditional fruit production rules and offer yields that commercial operations find impossible to profit from. Fruit plant number 1, emerald pod tree, ice cream bean. Scientific name, Inga edulis. The emerald pod tree produces vanilla-flavored pods filled with sweet pulp multiple times throughout a single growing season. Unlike traditional fruit trees with one annual harvest, this tree continuously cycles through flowering periods. When one batch ripens, another flowering wave begins immediately. Key advantages: produces clusters of long pods rather than single fruits. Nitrogen fixing ability feeds itself while enriching surrounding soil. Leaves regenerate quickly after pruning, creating additional flowering points. Grows explosively fast and resists pest damage naturally. Can double or triple normal fruit production. Why commercial operations avoid it? Pods bruise easily and deteriorate during shipping, failing commercial durability standards. Why it's perfect for home gardens? Fresh fruit ripens perfectly in your backyard with far more abundance than common varieties requiring constant feeding and attention. Fruit plant number 2, swift cherry bearer, Jamaican cherry. Scientific name, Montingia calabra. This revolutionary plant produces hundreds or thousands of small, sweet cherries and can start producing fruit within the first year, compared to 5 to 7 years for traditional trees. Key advantages: doesn't fruit seasonally, but continuously almost daily during growing season. Simultaneously displays flowers, developing fruits, and ripe cherries. Minimal nutrient demands, thrives in poor soils. Single mature tree yields more fruit per square meter than commercial orchards. Self-pollinates, requiring no additional trees or pollinators. Why commercial operations avoid it? Delicate cherries bruise easily, ferment quickly, and fail commercial uniformity standards. Why it's perfect for home gardens? Fresh, antioxidant-rich cherries arrive continuously with virtually zero maintenance requirements, operating almost automatically once established. Fruit plant number 3, stellar fruit tree, African star apple. Scientific name, Chrysophyllum albidum. Once established, the stellar fruit tree becomes one of the heaviest producing fruit trees available. A mature tree produces such abundant fruit that ripe fruit literally drops from branches in quantities requiring baskets for collection. Key advantages: exceptionally high percentage of flowers develop into fruit. Deep root system accesses water and nutrients far below soil surface. Continues developing fruit even during dry periods when other trees struggle. Responds excellently to light pruning that improves air circulation. Individual fruit size remains large while total yield climbs each year. Why commercial agriculture avoid it? Limited shelf life, variable fruit size, and appearance inconsistencies fail commercial standards. Why it's valuable for home growers? One mature tree supplies household consumption, sharing opportunities, and seed propagation potential that multiplies the tree's value over time. Fruit plant number 4, bundle bean tree, velvet tamarind. This tree appears ordinary, but produces extraordinary quantities of sweet, tangy pods season after season. While individual fruits are small, the tree forms extraordinarily thick bunches along every branch. Key advantages: produces thousands of individual pods in one fruiting cycle. Most flowers convert to harvestable fruit with minimal waste. Tolerates extended drought and thrives in poor soils. Handles intense heat without reducing production. Light pruning after harvest stimulates new fruiting wood. Pods store naturally for months without refrigeration. Why commercial operations avoid it? Labor-intensive harvesting and processing, plus lack of uniformity for supermarket standards. Why it's perfect for home gardens? Creates an extended harvest supplying fresh fruit long after the official season ends, with doubled yields compared to popular commercial trees. Fruit plant number 5, flavor modifier, miracle fruit. This compact plant's real power lies in productivity frequency and a revolutionary biochemical property. Each berry contains miraculin, a compound that temporarily alters taste perception. Key advantages: flowers and fruits multiple times yearly, producing dense berry clusters. After consuming a berry, sour fruits taste sweet, lemons become candy. Multiplies usefulness of every other fruit in the garden. Thrives in containers and resists most pest damage. Creates extraordinary hidden value far exceeding plant size. Why commercial agriculture avoids it? Berries are delicate, lose special properties quickly after harvest, and can't handle long-distance shipping. Why it's perfect for home cultivation? Continuously produces fruit while transforming how every other garden fruit can be experienced and enjoyed, offering magical effects on sour fruits. Fruit plant number 6, golden cluster tree, June plum. Scientific name, Spondius mombin. Often underestimated due to regional familiarity, the golden cluster tree forms enormous hanging clusters with dozens of fruits together. Under good conditions, it fruits more than once per year. Key advantages: delivers nearly double the output of well-known orchard trees by total fruit count. Grows quickly, building substantial canopy relatively fast. Tolerates pruning extremely well. Strategic pruning increases fruit-bearing points. Flowers heavily after stress events. Dry periods followed by rain trigger stronger fruiting. Demonstrates drought tolerance and natural pest resistance. Why commercial sellers avoid it? Fruit bruises easily during handling and doesn't ripen uniformly, creating packaging difficulties. Why it's perfect for home growers? Versatile fruits work fresh, pickled, or cooked. Produces such abundance that growers regularly give excess away, proving consistent outperformance. Fruit plant number 7, trunk fruit bearer, Jaboticaba. Scientific name, Plenia cauliflora. This unusual tree produces flowers directly along the main trunk and primary branches rather than at branch tips. Hundreds or thousands of small, grape-like berries form in dense clusters along the trunk. Key advantages: fruits 2 to 3 times per year. Small tree yields astonishing harvest, often much more than larger mango trees. Tolerates poor soils and adapts well to container growing. Resists pest damage naturally through its own biology. Light pruning encourages additional flowering points for amplified production. Berries are nutrient-dense, perfect for fresh eating, jams, or wine. Why commercial growers avoid it? Fruits spoil quickly after harvest, and trees need years to reach full production, not fitting commercial timelines. Why it's perfect for home gardeners? High-volume, low-maintenance fruit machine that rewards patience with repeated abundant harvests. Transforming your garden strategy. These 7 extraordinary plants represent a paradigm shift in home food production. Each offers unique advantages. Some fruit multiple times annually, some improve soil quality while growing, and some transform how other garden fruits can be utilized. The most important realization: most of these plants remain completely absent from commercial markets. By growing them, home growers access harvests almost no one else has available. Taking action? Plant just 1 tree from this list to begin doubling your garden's total productivity. Learn small care techniques, light pruning strategies, proper spacing decisions, soil enrichment methods. These tiny adjustments can double harvests even further. Fresh, nutrient-rich fruit straight from your home backyard becomes reality. Gardens can become productive beyond imagination. The specific knowledge about which plants make transformation possible now exists. The path forward is clear. Nature's forgotten treasures are ready to revolutionize how food gets grown at home.